on the equity markets. The Nifty opened on a flat note and was trading in a range of 8250, 8300 in the first half of the trading session. The action picked up in the second half of the trading session, where the Nifty surpassed the morning trading range and ended the day higher, up 38 points. The market breadth was also positive, with 886 advances to 645 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, HUL, HDFC Limited, Infosys, L&T, IndusInd Bank, TCS were some of the stocks which closed on the positive note. On the flip side, HDFC Bank, Reliance, Coal India, Bharti, ONGC, Hindalco were some of the major losers in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty is in the process of retracing the fall, the sharp fall which it had seen from the highs of 8445 up till the low of 8065, and currently it is trading around at 70.7 Fibonacci retracement level area. On the upside, 8364, which is the 78.6% retracement level, should act as a crucial resistance, and from there on the Nifty we expect the Nifty to face selling pressure from that level. Overall, structurally or pattern wise, our sense is that the Nifty is forming a triangle pattern, and the triangle pattern is still not complete. We are expecting further downside in the Nifty before the high of 8445 is breached on the upside. We continue to maintain a negative stance on Nifty, and we expect the selling pressure to emerge anywhere around the 8370 odd levels to 8400, where there is resistance in the form of Fibonacci retracements. So we are expecting the selling pressure to emerge at higher levels. So we continue to maintain negative stance on Nifty for a target of 7723 on the downside. However, before that, this support trend line can act as a crucial support. However, it is still early to say whether we are forming this pattern or something else is in formation. So at this point of time, our sense is that it is forming a triangle pattern and the pattern is not complete. So we continue to maintain negative stance on Nifty. Now moving on to the RV charts, we can observe that RV charts, there was a consolidation for the most part of the day. In the last couple of hours, the Nifty has broken above the consolidation phase and closed above that. However, it has reached the early upper Bollinger Band, and on the early momentum indicator also we can observe negative divergence. However, until and unless we get a daily negative close, this divergence should not be given that much amount of weightage. So once we get a daily negative close, this divergence will come into play, and once we get a daily negative close, the day's high should be used as a stop loss to go short again on Nifty. So we continue to maintain negative stance on Nifty. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also in the process of retracing the sharp fall which it saw in the last week. It is trading above the 20 and 40 daily moving averages. However, the point of concern is the daily momentum indicator, which is still in the negative, which indicates that every rise should be sold into. However, since the Bank Nifty is trading above crucial supports, we would advise traders to short only when we get a daily negative close. Otherwise, there is one more alternate which can take the Bank Nifty even above the high of 19,166, which it touched last week. So we are waiting for a daily negative close and a good setup to go short on Bank Nifty. Our view on the Bank Nifty still remains negative. We feel that Bank Nifty can also trade in sync with Bank Nifty can also drift lower in the coming trading sessions until the high of 19,166 is not taken out. So we continue to be negative on Bank Nifty. Crucial resistances are placed at 19,000 and 19,166. On the downside, 18,473, which is the swing low, and below that 18,238 are crucial supports. Traders can also consider going short on Bank Nifty below the crucial support of 18,473. A breach of that would indicate the short term, the last 3 3 days of retracement that we are seeing is over, and the rise will now be considered as a 3-wave rise. So below 18,473, traders can initiate short positions on Bank Nifty. For the Nifty, crucial supports are placed at 82.66 and 82.28. These are the 40 and 20 daily moving averages. On the upside, 83.64, which is the 78.6% retracement level of the fall from 8445 to 8065 is a crucial resistance, and above that 8445 is a crucial resistance. So that's all for the day. Thank you.